Alrighty, welcome back. My name is Scott Heaton. I'm your host of Scott Recommends, and we are doing our last little segment with Matt Bell of My Tax Pro. And Matt, I guess what I wanted to talk to you about today is this. As a realtor, one of the benefits, one of the value pieces that I provide for my clients is having a deep network of people that they might need. For example, a flooring person or a painter or a landscape artist or a cleaner, clean your home, all those kinds of things. That's the value that I bring that I can provide my clients with to make their lives easier. And I know in your industry, I'm sure you have those people as well that your paths intertwine quite a bit that make your life easier, but you can also refer back to them. And it's kind of a reciprocal relationship. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me about who they are and what that looks like for you and why that makes you so efficient and proficient at your job.
Yeah, absolutely. So when people come to me with, tax needs or needing me to file their taxes, when I sit down with the client, we are talking about quite a few things because they have to open up, right? They have to show me their income. They have to show me real estate transactions that happened
That's
last
super
year.
personal.
It's super personal, right?
Yeah.
And we're touching at a lot of different industries in the market, right? And so um, we work very closely with the bookkeeper. We work very closely with the financial advisor, with a estate planning attorney.
You can say real estate agent. I'm not here.
Real estate
It's okay.
And so it's important to have those connections so that when you come in to do your taxes with me, I'm able to refer you to people that I know will take care of you. Because at the end of the day, it's important that you're taken care of and that I have a team of individuals and industries that can help take care of different aspects of your life. And I didn't mention like an insurance agent, right? So all these things get brought up on the tax return. And so it's important that you get serviced with each of these different spectrums of life. So,
That makes me think as a realtor, one of the things that we cannot do
yeah,
is we cannot give any advice outside of the scope of being a realtor. So when people ask me, what's going to be my tax liability or whatever it is, I legally can't give them advice. And so again, it's so great to be able to
yeah,
shoot you a call or a text, or whether it be bookkeeper or the financial advisor or whoever. It is so important to me to have such a deep network of folks that I can back to, that I know, like, and trust. That again, that brings a huge piece of value to who I am. And I think honestly, Matt, I think folks, my clients, appreciate and respect the fact that I look at them and say, "Hey,
yeah,
I'm not your guy.
right.
I grew up as a roofer. My dad, that was what my dad did,
Yeah,
and I can look at a roof as we're looking at a home, and I can assess it relatively well. It's been quite a few years since I've done that, but I can look at that roof and go, I have a strong opinion, and I bet you I'm pretty close. However, I'm going to say, I think there might be some problems, but I'm not a professional roofer. I'm going to refer you to, or I encourage you to go talk to somebody that can help out on that, uh, to make sure you get like a real professional answer. And again,
yeah.
I just, that network is really a huge value piece for me.
I think so too, because like I think if you can focus on what you are uniquely good at and provide service with what you are uniquely good at, and then delegate out the other things to the professionals that they are uniquely good at with, I think that will be important and provide the best service for your client. So
Excellent. Well, I love the fact, like myself, you have a deep network of other professionals that you work closely with, intimately with, and that you know, like, and trust as well. So again, we appreciate you watching the series.
yeah,
Again, the name of the series is Scott Recommends, and these are all folks that I know quite well, that I know, like, and trust, and I feel confident in recommending them and their services. So if you're in the industry, or if you're in the market, I should say, and you need an excellent tax professional, a CPA, again, I highly recommend reaching out to Matt Bell of My Tax Pro, so he can chat with you and assess what your needs are and really point you in the right direction and make sure that you really are taken care of, protected, covered. So for those people that need you, Matt,
yeah,
how do they get a hold of you?
yeah. So they can give me a call. My number is 385-352-3396. or they can find us online at my-taxpro.com. Appreciate it, Scott.
Thanks again. I really appreciate you joining me for this series. It's been fun. It's definitely been informative. And I look forward to maybe doing some of these again later on down the road.
I'd love that.
All right, thanks again for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.